Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 amazing Android apps you should be using in 2025. So one of the lists of the Android apps you should be using in 2025 is any update. One of them is Google Gemini. Google Gemini is an AI assistant app which helps you with intelligent search and list generations and summary for long email and documents. It also creates sketches and image from text prompt and all of that. Then the next also is Nigra launcher. Nigra launcher is a clean and minimal Android launcher that puts your app and notification front and center and also make your phone more efficient and user friendly. The next also among the amazing Android app you should use also among the list is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is also it's almost the same like Google Gemini. They only have different aspects. For example, ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that offers versatile and intelligent response for personal and professional use. It's perfect for answering questions, brainstorming ideas, and assisting with creative projects. You can also chat on another AI chatbot that integrates seamless with smart home systems, allowing you to control your device with voice command. It also offers personalized conversation and detailed analysis. You can also use Buffer. Buffer is a social media management app that helps you schedule posts, track performance, and manage multiple accounts efficiently. You can also use Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan is also a powerful scanning app that turns your phone into a portable scanner, allows you to digitalize documents and see and more of that. You can also use Notion. Notion is also one of the amazing Android app that you can use, which is known for its versatile productivity app that combines note-taking, task management, and collaboration features in one platform. These apps offer a range of features to enhance your productivity, creativity, and overall smartphone experience. Give them a try and see which one works best for you. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.